My beautiful people, there's one parking spot that I found here. A very, I would say not like a big one, but anyways, what we are gonna do as we do abroad is we do parallel parking. So your bro is gonna do parallel parking. I could have taken more margin, but well, here we are. The other guy is also leaving, but we are okay. Now I can do this, and you see. Okay, so now I saw the car over there in the background, the outer edge. Now I need to reverse up. Okay, so now I would do a reverse full turn. And what's next? Okay, you see, we are now in front of the car. Now what's left to do is just one thing. You see this. Now we did parallel parking. I learned this while I was in Saudi Arabia. I didn't use this, or I didn't know about this before when I was in Pakistan. So here we are. What do you guys think?
Peter Young was first introduced to Jensen at a party for new hires. Jensen already knew who he was. You're Peter Young.